You can't help but stare and be amazed when you step into this magnificent Rosewood floor plan. This 4,600 square foot dream home comes with 4 bedrooms and 4.5 baths, a 3-car garage, and it's loaded with custom features from the moment that you step through the elegant double-door entrance. As you walk into the Rosewood floor plan, you'll be blown away by the open floor plan, high ceilings, and nailed-down hand-scraped hardwood floors. The living room opens up to a large Texas-sized fireplace, and just off the living room you'll find a kitchen even the most deserving chef would envy. With granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and custom cabinetry, there's no doubt that this kitchen will be the talking piece at all your special home gatherings. As we make our way to the master bedroom suite, you can't help but notice the architectural design and high vaulted ceilings. If you were impressed by the kitchen, just wait until you step into this luxurious master bathroom with an oversized shower, dual shower heads, a deep jetted tub, dual vanities, and walk-in closets. When you make your way up the spiral staircase, you'll notice an open game room with an adjacent second-floor balcony for family gatherings, or just when you need a little quiet time to enjoy your beautiful surroundings. If you're looking for a movie night with the family, kick back in the spacious media room that comes pre-wired for surround sound. This Rosewood floor plan also comes with large first and second floor covered patio and adjacent breakfast nook to get your mornings started with style. Gallery Custom Homes offers a variety of different floor plans, and we can build you this floor plan or any of our others in almost every Gallery Custom Homes community.
When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you will receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas Homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are confident in our low rates. If we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.